What's up, guys? Welcome back. Another fan version of a Dragon Ball character. This is True Demon Vegeta from, I think it's Call Me ARJ. Kind of cool. His thumbnails are awesome, so check out his channel. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. So, right. We're going to start with the face, kind of up here in the top half of my page, and we'll go with the eyebrows. So we do these kind of tick lines that just curve around. No eyebrows, right? So we're kind of like Super Saiyan 3 eyes. So we go around like that. And same on this side. Right, like so. And then there could be like that W sort of shape in the middle, sort of a bit wrinkly and frowny there, and then some brow lines just there. So kind of typical Dragon Ball eyes then. Short line, long line, curved line brings them together. Same on this side, short line, long line, curved line brings them together. So then his iris, so he's kind of like looking down at us, right? So we're going to curve it up and down to the top eyelid line like that. And then the pupil just in the middle here. Right, so it makes it look like he's looking down, right? So then we do the same sort of thing on this side. So just curve it up and down, touching that top eyelid line. And then the pupil in the middle here, looking down at us as well. So his nose in the middle of the face. So we do this sort of triangle sort of shape for the Dragon Ball nose that's turned up, like so. And then there can be like these sort of wrinkles on the side and some nostrils in there. The mouth real close to the nose. Comes across, he's open mouth screaming. So it comes across, down the side, straight down then real long, around for the bottom, across like so. Top teeth, across there, and then the molars at the back. Bottom teeth, just coming around like so. The molars in at the back, and then his tongue with a circle like that, and you can color this whole black. Like so. And then we got the cheek mark lines that Dragon Ball characters have. Same on this side. Like so. And then just a shadow underneath his bottom lip. And some like stretch lines around his mouth because he's like yelling super hard. So, you know, just makes it look like he's like pulling the skin in his face. Then his chin, square chin. There. Jaw will come up the side, like so. And it's kind of like in line with his bottom teeth is where it kind of turns up, goes up towards his sideburns. So we go like this way to there. So then his sideburns are like in on his face, lower down on this, because his head is like tilted back. Right, and they kind of become his ear as well. Ears there. So the ears normally are higher up because his head is tilted back. The ears go lower down. If you look in a mirror, you could see it on your own face. And then the ear lines inside there. Right, so then devil horns, right? So we've got like, or demon, should I say, true devil form or demon? Demon, yeah. So one here, spike up, like so. Another one here, curve line, spike up to there. And then this curves around to like a point here, back around like that. And then he has that purple color, so it's not drawn in, but we kind of have to draw it in so we can see it. So kind of curves this way, down onto his cheek, back up there, like so. So then hair, typical sort of Dragon Ball hair. It actually comes out from behind his neck. His neck's real wide. So wide neck here. And then we got curved lines, spikes, right? And then candle flame style hair. So it goes out and to a point up there. Right, and same type of thing over here. Just these spikes that gradually get sort of bigger and sort of curve in. Right, and we've got two across the front. There, and then like, what way is this one? So like goes up here, down, and then like a real big one in the middle. Texture lines all over, just each hair spike following the shape. Like that. And then anatomy. So did some neck muscles there, right? So then we have some more neck muscles just going this way. And then another one here. There. Adam's apple. Trapezius. And then, so like at the center of his neck, so we got like the center line for his chest, right? So your neck muscles in the middle, you have your center line for your neck, and then your chest muscles go out this way, right? Like so. And then the bottom into your shoulder sort of area here. Right, you can have like some muscle fibers going across that way, trapezius lines there. It's a big shoulder muscle, like basketball, real round, like that. And then this goes like back into here, into your armpit. Right, and then we have like his armpit area, but it's like his rib cage kind of comes out from there. And then you have like shoulder muscles. All right, and then the rest of his abs, right? So we go this way, like his rib cage curving in here, real bodybuilder sort of form. And then his pants comes across and down. Then we got some ab lines, so like coming across here, and then abs in the middle. 4 of them, like so. And then arms, so we got like bicep here, so it just comes down like so. Tricep on the outside. And then underneath the back of the arm here, comes down to an elbow. And then like his forearm sort of just bumps like this. And then same on this side, bumping, bicep, tricep, elbow, and then tricep on the back there, and then 2 bumps for the starts of his forearm. He's got gloves on, right? So his forearm goes into the gloves there on this side. So we'll go curve line for the glove, like so, and then up either side. It's pretty much the same on both sides. So we got these bumps just for his gloves. Right, then we got to add his fists. So both fists are pretty much the same, right? So we got like the back of his hand just going up this way. And we meet like a knuckle here and a knuckle here. And then this goes up around for the finger. Next one, another one. And then his little finger just curves around here. Now remember, if I'm going too fast, hit pause. This is like the back of his fingers, and then some more sort of knuckle lines here for each finger there. Like so. And the other side of his hand here. And a thumb. Just there. And we will do this over here. So back of his hand again, you just go up to his like middle finger knuckle, curves across, then you have the index, goes down, next finger, knuckles at the back. And then you just try and copy this as best you can. And then his thumb. Like so. Okay, so we got these diamonds in the center of his chest as well. And we will draw them in. They're glowing sort of purple things normally. Sometimes there's 2 more, but I can't see them in this. Maybe they are, I'm not sure. I might add them after if they are, but I don't think I can see them. So they might not be in this form in this particular fan version. So I'll just leave it like this with 3 diamonds. Some wings. They're real wide, so they'll go off the edge of my page. If you have more room, of course, feel free. And then the bottom feathers. There's more feathers inside, but we'll just get the main shape first for the bottom feathers here. They get kind of long. Put these lines on them as well. Okay, and then we'll go up and around this way for the bone that's there, and then we always have this sort of other kind of feathery section there, like that, and then feathers all in here. And you can do as much of this as you want. Right. And we will do this over here. And then we have the bone just going up around that way, and then a real furry sort of section on top. like so. And then of course aura if you want. So it's kind of tight close to him, it looks like, in the version I'm looking at anyway. Purple, and you can have some escaping energy going all up this way. Somewhere around here. Yeah, no purple down there as well. Okay, I think that'll do. True Demon Vegeta. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.